Hey everybody, it's Beth. I'm using one of these plank wood pieces from Dollar Tree. I started by using a pencil and marking off some rounded edges on the top and then marking off just a tiny piece on the bottom corners. I used some pruning shears to cut that down, and then I took my micro sander and sanded those edges. Next, I took some antique wax by Waverly and brushed that on, and then used a baby wipe to blend it all in, covering the entire thing. I then took these letters I get from Amazon. They're 3/4 of an inch, and I painted them with crimson red chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I then placed them down on my piece of plank wood, getting them lined up before I glue them down, as well as these 3 snowflakes. And I'm taking some tacky glue and brushing that on the backs of each of those, and then placing them down. And the top of the plank wood is going to be the larger rounded edges. Then take the back end of a paintbrush handle and dip that in some white paint and make little dots throughout the plank wood. And then I'm taking a craft stick and I'm holding it along the top of the piece of wood and then using some Fisker shears to cut that down a little bit. And then take that piece I had cut and use that as a guide to make the other side that I had cut match the other end, because I want both of those to be rounded. And then I trim it up with the Fisker shears again and sand that down. Next, I take another piece of a craft stick and I'm just angling that on top of the craft stick I had sanded and just making lines throughout that side. And take the crimson red chalk paint and paint every other one with that color. Once the red paint is dry, I go in with Cottage white chalk paint by Folkart and fill in the other 2 spaces. And I'm doing this process on the back side as well. Next, I take a jumbo craft stick and I cut just the end of it off and then use the Fisker shears again to kind of round out the other side. I just wanted a little circle piece. And I also painted that with the crimson red color, front and back. And then take 2 tumbling tower blocks and cover those with the antique wax by Waverly. And then put a thin strip of hot glue on the top of the plank wood and place down the painted craft stick. Then take that circle piece I made and hot glue that on the back side of that craft stick. And take the tumbling tower blocks and glue those 2 pieces end to end. And then put a strip of hot glue on those, place it down on the bottom side of the back of the plank wood, and kind of just pushing it down into place to make sure that the project will stand. And that is it for this craft. Thank you so much for watching.